GM and welcome to a new video. This is week 5 of the Abstract Mainnet and this is the weekly abstract series on my channel. Hi if you're watching this for the first time, and welcome back to everyone that has been following along since the testnet. So we got the weekly experience update. There's a new and old Flash badge at the same time. We're going to take a look at the experience distribution. Also Onchain Heroes launched this week, and this has been the most successful NFT mint on Abstract so far. So we got a lot to cover. Now let's dive in. As you can see, the week 4 experience points have been distributed. If we click on rewards, we can see that I got over 2,000 experience points this week. That's more than last week. And a lot of people have been asking, okay, how do you actually get more experience points? And as I said in the last videos, the multipliers help. If you have any of the BlueChip NFT collections, then make sure to verify those on the Abstract Discord server. Then you get the Elite chat that gives you a 12.5% multiplier. If you're helpful on the Discord, or if you're active on X, then you have the chance to get the graduated Elite chat like I have. And then after some time, maybe you're lucky to get the Giga chat, which actually gives a 75% multiplier. Also, if you hold Pengu, then you get a static amount of experience points, which is why I get a certain amount each week, but it varies, as you can see by this post by Cigar. As I've stated previously, our XP system is dynamic. We look at all the activity happening in our ecosystem and determine the rules for the week based on that. Those that bring value to Abstract will be rewarded. It's really that simple. How can bot farmers know what to farm if we don't even know the rules ourselves until the end of the week? So at least they're saying they are really doing this dynamically on a weekly basis. The things that we can do is, apart from holding enough Pengu to get one of those certain stages and the multiplier, is this is all that I do as well. Go in here, log in on the Abstract portal, upvote some of the apps like this. This is on-chain activity. Also, maybe do a trade from time to time, though I didn't do any trades last week. What you can do is, if you're a streamer, of course, the streamers seem to be getting a lot of experience points, but I haven't been approved, so I'm not getting experience points for that. Go into the streams, maybe chat with the streamers, give them some tips, maybe 1 or 2 Pengu might be enough. This is also on-chain activity. You also support streamers, so that might definitely give you some experience points. And one other thing is get badges, because we know that getting badges is a thing that definitely gets you experience points. Talking about the badges, the new Flash badge is one that we had in week 2. And this is the Super Duper Flash badge. And if you don't know how to get this, you can watch the video that I'm gonna link here. This is the one from Mainnet week 2. And I explain in detail how to get the Super Duper badge, because a lot of people have had trouble with this. You need to win the tutorial. I explain how to do this in this video in detail. So if you want to get the Super Duper badge, just check out the Abstract Mainnet week 2 video on my channel. Again, I linked it up here. And one last thing I wanted to talk about is we have our first, we might want to call it BlueChip on Abstract chain. This is the Onchain Heroes, the OCH Genesis Heroes. The floor price actually went up to here. This was the peak 0.64 ETH, and they're sitting at a floor price of 0.446. So to everyone who was able to mint one, congrats. This seems to be the #1 NFT collection for now. The game is very popular right now as well. I don't want to go into too much detail here and keep this week's episode a bit shorter. Make sure to get the Super Duper badge. You don't need to spend any ETH on that. Just play the tutorial as I explain in this video, and then you should be good. And apart from that, I'm gonna just use Abstract regularly, as I would anyways. Let me know how much experience points you got. There seem to be a lot of people not getting any experience points in week 3. Let me know if you got any in week 4 now. That being said, I got the Monet series started last week. I already have 2 videos out. make sure to get started there. It's the testnet, everything you do on there is completely free, and that might position you for a nice airdrop. I will link the videos here at the end of the video. That's already it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.